Hi everyone, I'm Joe and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to migrate your files from Log Server R1 over to Log Server R2. Our in-house developers here at Nagios decided to integrate a button where you can use it, input your IP, and migrate all of your files, while still being able to pick and choose what files you want to migrate and what files you don't, and being able to delete certain files. Come on, let's jump right in. The first step is to make sure you have an instance of Nagios Log Server R2 installed and set up, like so. The second step is to make sure you have Elasticsearch Listen set to all interfaces and not just localhost on the instance you're trying to migrate and the instance you're migrating to. In order to do that on Log Server R2, we can head over to the left-hand side, click on Admin, under General, click on Global Settings, scroll down, and make sure Elasticsearch Listen is on all interfaces. From there, we can head back to Home. We also have to do this on Log Server R1. The steps are rather similar, just in different spots. At the top, we can click on Admin. From here, we can click on Global Settings. And then as you can tell, Elasticsearch Listen is on all interfaces instead of localhost. We can go back to Home, and we're back on our home page. Navigating back to Log Server R2. Here, now we're going to want to migrate all of our data. So we can click on Admin again. Under Admin, you can click on Migrate Data. And then here, you want to input the IP of your server you're migrating from. After that, you can hit Check Server Connection. And now, you can see all of your available indexes and logs that you're able to migrate. So, in order to migrate it, you can click on as many as you want. For demo purposes, I'm only going to choose these 5. And then you want to make sure that they're in the selected indexes. If there's none in there, there's no logs that you're going to be migrating. In order to move it over to the selected indexes, we can hit this right arrow. So now that these are over in selected indexes, we can start migration of selected indexes. But first, there are 2 checkboxes: reprocess selected indexes instead of resuming processes, and migrate log server configuration. Reprocess selected indexes instead of resuming processes is basically a failsafe. So if you select a log to migrate, but it doesn't, then it'll reprocess again to try and migrate it to move it on to the next log. I'm going to check that box. And then migrate log server configuration. So this moves everything over from these logs, including dashboards, reports, existing accounts, and users. I'm also going to click this one too. So now we can hit the Start Migration of Selected Indexes. And when you hit that, no confirmation will pop up. In order to confirm that all these logs went over, you can head over to the same area under System, hit Index Status, and as we can tell, our logs switched over. And that's how you migrate your logs from Log Server R1 to Log Server R2. I hope everyone was able to follow along on this video and complete their migration safely. For more support or any other questions, you can visit us at www.support.nagios.com. Thanks for watching.